Good morning, collectors. We're going live. This res is for either the Panthers or Roosters spot in case 4. Okay, we'll go in and grab the names. 60 names. Okay, I'll go in and set the time so we know what time it is. Okay, the time's 10:01 a.m. 10:01 a.m. We'll do the dice roll. We have to roll a 4 or more to continue. Okay, we've rolled a 3 and a 2, which is 5. So the res will be randomized 5 times. Go and paste the names in. Okay, we've got Ryan at the bottom, Debbie at the top. We rolled a 2 and a 3, so I'll be randomized 5 times. Here we go. Okay, that's once. Two times. Three times. Okay, 4 times. 4 times. We rolled a 3 and a 2, that's why we're randomizing it 5 times. The time's 10:03 a.m. 10:03 a.m. Okay, good luck, everybody. Okay, our winners are Shannon. If you could just get in touch with us, mate, and let us know what team you'd like, either Panthers or Roosters. And thanks, everybody, for their ongoing support at Top End, and have a good morning.